Okay, we have a few different early birds available at Big Bass Bingo. First, on Friday and Saturday, the first 15 people in the door get to pick a free horse, and this pays a $50 computer for a penny to the winner. We also have our Pull Tab Blitz pack. It's got a few games in it for opportunities to win uh, more penny computers and games. The first is another horse race. This actually has two winners. The first is a blackout computer for tonight or the night you're playing. And the second place winner gets a blackout computer for our next upcoming event. This is your Biker Betty. This game pays a $75 computer and $75 in merchandise. So we'll go ahead and start opening these. These are not all players, so you'll have some basically trash tickets. Like this one doesn't have any numbers on it. This is a daub ticket, so you're looking for what looks like a mini bingo card. This is what you're looking for. It's a little mini bingo card. You're going to black out this card. You can see there's a bunch of free spots and some wild spots. So we're going to hold on to that one. And we got another one here, so we'll hold on to that one. And you can get this little gadget here. This is a pull tab holder. We sell these here at Big Bass Bingo for $12. Um, and they're really handy for holding your daub tickets, your horse races, all that good stuff. Next is we're going to look at this little card. This is a what we call a speed bingo card. This one is fast for bingo, so you're going to be trying to black out these four numbers. This game goes fast because it's a speed game. We call balls about every 6 seconds. And this game pays $75 computer and a blackout computer for our next event. And then we've got a couple tabs here. These are your instants. So basically, you have a chance to win up to $500 on these. There's a few others. Texas City Winners has 300, 200. You'll win lots of dollars on these. The Cowboy Elvis has 500s, 250s, and dollars. So what you're looking for on these are little yellow boxes that will say what you won. And some of them have these little doors. Some of them are just one big door that you pull back. You can kind of think of these as scratch offs. They're just, if you win, it's an instant win. All right, here was a winner. For $1, it has the San Antonio on it. Doesn't really mean much. That's what you're really looking for, is that $1. So we'll hold on to that one. Then your Elvis. Same thing. So you've got your $1 winner right there. And like I said, you can win up to 500 on these. So keep going here. It's another dollar. Another dollar. And another dollar. So that's our pull tab Blitz pack. This is the pull tab Blitz packs are sold to the first 15 people in the door. There's only 15 available, and they are $60. And it's a really good value and an opportunity to win computers for play the night that you're there, and blackout computers and blackouts for our big events.